before the curtain call, stand up for the applause. Just let the roses fall. 'Cause tonight is gonna be a good night. Yeah, we about to take flight. We're gonna take it all.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I please introduce the main attraction.
Let's start the show. Turn the lights down low. Feel it in your soul. 'Cause it's time to go. Let's start the show. Only go all night. Gonna shine so bright. We came for the lights. Camera, action. Let's start the show. Let's start the show. Diamonds don't mean a thing. No need to kiss the ring. I know the vibe I bring. Made for the center stage. All of my dues being paid. You won't forget my name. 'Cause tonight it's gonna be a long night. There's gonna be a fist fight when that takes it all.
Beautiful people, the time has come. This is the countdown. 3, 2, 1.
Start the show.
Pana at Luma, kayo ay nakatatak sa aking puso't isip na parang tinta. Good luck to our senior high school journey. God bless to you all, and Citrus Alchus Fortune.
Yes, Hiraya Manawari. May your dreams come true. Okay, so this is the last time na maghatag kong speech. And ako ang mabilin sa inyo ha, na motto is to live and every moment to cherish everything. Yun lang.
I wish you all the best in life, in your studies, in your future career, and in your respective families. May you all achieve your dreams. Remember, we are under the same sky. I will never be too far. See you around, Bonisa.
Proud kami sa inyong mga achievements in behalf sa mga teachers ninyo. We know na taas pa kayo nung maabot.
I have loved the time that we were together, and I hope that you did too. I just wish we had more, but I don't think we can have any more. This is it, guys, our last goodbye. And when I say goodbye, I hope you say this.